Hello everyone, we are Team Dev Dynasty and today we are presenting our project called ML Interviewer, a privacy first AI interviewer. Our project is an offline AI interview system that helps the students practice interviews without sending any data to the internet. Most AI interview platforms use cloud services, but our system works completely on the user's laptop. This means that the user's voice, interview answers, and reports stay private. Our team members are Ayush Patel, Siddhesh Suryavanshi, Tanishka Zadav, and Rutuja Kulkarni. Now, let me explain why we built this project. The problem. Before building this project, we studied some four real world problems. First, in 2023, Samsung employees accidentally uploaded confidential company code to ChatGPT. Because of this data leak, Samsung restricted the use of ChatGPT. Secondly, many AI interview platforms have been received criticism because users worry about privacy and unfair AI decisions. Third, according to IBM's data breach report, data breaches cost companies millions of dollars every year, and cloud AI increases the security risks. Also, organizations like government departments, NASA, and US Navy have restricted the cloud AI tools because they deal with sensitive information. So, the biggest question was, can we build an AI interviewer that never sends the data to the cloud? So, the answer is yes. Our system works 100% offline, keeps all the voice recordings, and reports on the user's device and protects the user's privacy. The problem statement. There are four main problem statements. First, students don't get realistic interview practice. Most websites only provide a list of questions instead of real conversations. Second, many AI tools upload voice recordings to cloud servers, which creates a privacy concern. Third, industries like healthcare, finance, defense cannot upload interview data outside their secure network. Finally, there are very few systems that can perform a complete AI interview entirely offline. So, this is the gap that our project completely solves. Our solution. Our solution follows a simple five-step pipeline. First, the candidate speaks through microphone. Second, faster whisper converts the speech into text locally. Third, Gemma 4 understands the answers and generates the next interview question. Fourth, Piper converts the question back into the speech so the AI interview talks naturally. Fifth, after the interview is completed, the system generates a PDF report with scores and feedback. The best part is that after downloading the models once, no internet connection is needed. Everything runs locally and the user's audio never leaves the laptop. So, the technology stack that is used in this project are firstly the Gradio, which is used for UI and capture the microphone input. Second, Faster Whisper for fast online speech to text conversion. Then, for AI reasoning, interview questions, and evaluation, we have used Gemma for running through Ollama. After that, SQLite, which is used to store the conversation history locally. For text to speech, we used Piper, which allows the AI to speak naturally without internet. Finally, Report Lab is used to generate a professional PDF interview report. All these technologies together create a completely offline interview system. Coming to the agent architecture. Inside the agent, this slide shows the internal working of our AI agent. The user's voice is converted into text. The Gemma understands the answers, checks its quality, and decides the next interview question. The conversation history is stored locally so the AI remembers the previous answers. Finally, the AI speaks the next question and updates the evaluation. This creates a smooth and natural interview experience. Coming to the system architecture, the candidate interacts with the interface through microphone. The audio goes to faster whisper for transcription. The transcribed text is sent to Gemma for reasoning and evaluation. The generated response goes to Piper, which converts it into speech. At the same time, interview history is stored in SQLite, and once the interview finishes, the PDF report is created using Report Lab. Everything happens locally without any cloud communication. Now, the question is why it matters. Our project has many practical applications. For individuals, it provides unlimited interview practice while keeping the personal data private. For colleges, it allows large number of students to practice interviews without paying cloud API costs. For companies, especially those working with confidential information, the system can be deployed inside their own secure network. Since it runs locally, there are no recurring cloud charges. In future, we plan to add resume and job description based interview generation, then multi-language support, then coding interview mode and recruiter analytics dashboard. These features will make the system even more useful. Now coming to conclusion, our project proves that AI can be powerful while still protecting the user's privacy. We built a complete offline AI interviewer that can conduct interviews, ask intelligent follow up questions, evaluate answers, and generate reports without sending any information to the cloud. This makes the system secure, affordable, and suitable for students, colleges, and enterprises. Thank you for listening. We would be happy to have answer your questions. Thank you.